In this video, I'm going to show you how to play animated emojis on Discord. So basically, it's pretty easy. At the end of this video, I will show you the most important step. But firstly, we need to open our Discord app and then just go to settings. So in the bottom of the screen here, find your nickname and avatar and user settings button. So click on it to open our settings. Then scroll down our menu to find the accessibility right up here in app settings. Here is a lot of settings, but all we need is just to scroll down to find play animated emojis. So if you had this problem, this function is turned off, so it looks like this. And then just all you need is just to turn it on to make it green. So this is a way how you can play animated images on Discord. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.